Today, I'll show you how to mute Wuthering Waves when it's running in the background, so the game won't keep playing sounds when you tab out. First, press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will open your profile menu, also known as the terminal. Next, click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, you'll see the audio options. At the top, you'll find the master volume, which controls the overall loudness of the entire game. If you want more control, you can manually adjust individual volume sliders, such as music, sound effects, voice, and ambient sounds, depending on your preference. Now, to specifically mute the game while it's playing in the background, look for the option that controls background audio behavior. You'll see a small arrow or toggle beside this setting. Simply click the arrow to turn it on, and once enabled, Wuthering Waves will automatically mute its sound whenever you switch to another window or tab out of the game. This is especially useful if you're multitasking, watching videos, or using voice chat without needing to manually lower the volume every time. And that's how to mute Wuthering Waves in the background. Thank you for watching.